Hi everyone and welcome back to the No Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we're going to do Ella an infill after 4 weeks.
Yeah, 4 weeks I think.
So we're going to remove this design and put a fresh one on. So I'll start with my E-file and a medium barrel bit. And we'll start by removing this design. Just filing downwards, move all the bulk. Okay. 3D flowers are always a good idea till you have to take them off. I don't do all the work with an E-file for this bit because I like to go over with my hand file anyway, so just taking off the bulk. Move that dust a bit. Then take a 180 grit file and just file everywhere nice and flush. Make sure there's no lifting anywhere. Be careful when you're doing the natural nail, you don't want to damage that. Then we're going to take this cuticle bit on a low speed. Just gently go around the cuticle area. Just removing any dead skin.
Ow.
Liar. You trying to get me shocked. Dust them off, dehydrator, primer, the usual. Sarah's Special Blend. That's what it should be called.
That's its name now.
Sarah's Special Blend. Sounds like a coffee.
Sounds like KFC.
What is it, soft Asian rice block?
Yeah. Equal mix.
She loves it.
Absolutely love it. So this is just an infill and rebalance, so you're just rebalancing the apex and filling in the cuticle area. You don't need a lot of acrylic for that. Check your apex is where it should be. If in doubt, add a bit more, you can always file it into shape. Same again, small bead. Pop it just at the cuticle area, touch it around the cuticle.
How many infills can someone get before they need a full set, like a new set?
Well, you could infill for quite a while, depending on how they look after them, really. But my clients tend to get 1 or 2 and then they get a new set, but mostly just because people like to have a nice fresh set. It doesn't really feel as good when you've got an infill. We also have clients who can't get any because they're just so rough. Just depends what they do as a job and that, I suppose.
What's the worst job for nails?
Well, I would have said hairdressing once upon a time, but then I've got hairdressers who were probably the best with theirs. I've got one who works in Tesco, and she's always ripping boxes open, and I'm pretty sure no matter what she says, she is using them to rip the boxes open. Let those dry and we'll file them. Before I file the top, I like to turn the hand round, take this cone ceramic bit and just take out any excess nail from underneath. Or dirt.
Yeah, mine are fucking
They're actually not, you know, they're really clean. This particular bit is the best one I've found, other way, to do this job.
Why do you do that though?
Because if you don't take the natural nails underneath can help lift the acrylic, then usually we'll file in sides. Free edge. Cuticle. Down the centre to the tip. Get that nice and flat. Give them a wipe with.
Squirting on me.
It didn't even squirt on you.
It literally did.
I'm
reincarnated.
I'm going to try and aim it at you now, but
I've been brought back to life. I mean,
I think you're just being dramatic, Ella.
I'm drenched.
Right, let's pretty them up, eh? Go and pick some colours. Right, so we're going to do that new cartoon trend everyone's raving about, and I just love it. So we'll start with
Bloody hell.
Amethyst Fall and Glass and a Half. These are purples. So you need two of each colour, one a bit lighter than the other. Full cover. I just realised, Joe, you haven't complained about my fat head being in the way for a while.
It's because it was coming in that much, I had to bring the whole setup back to the
And these me thinking I just got better.
So I reworked the whole thing.
We'll do light blue. Well, this is ice cold.
Bit like your hands, really, isn't it?
Earlier on.
They're freezing now.
Are they?
Yeah.
I don't feel it. See my belly there? It doesn't realise why it's being fed through the day, because I'm working with Ella.
I get portrayed though, people are going to think I'm colossal. Like, the way I get portrayed with food, I'm not.
Peppermint.
It's lovely.
That's lovely. It's a really nice colour, that.
I wonder when our special guest Matthew will be back in the chair.
Do you know what? I'm going to give him the Christmas nails.
Love that.
Jaffa cake. Because she wouldn't have yellow.
I'm not having yellow. I'm starting to regret the orange, actually.
That's right.
I know.
Actually, this is Drew's.
Did you pick this?
Yeah,
Waste man.
that's not me.
And Prima, or Primer?
Prima. Like prima donna.
In the lamp, Ella. Right, now these have had 2 coats, so we'll take some black, serious black on our palette and a 003 brush, and we'll go around the outside of them as carefully as possible, which is not something I like to do. do with a little black mark on that side. Same thing on all of them with the black. Right, with the white, we'll go on this side and do a swoosh. These are, I just think these look great.
Still colours and then that bloody orange.
Drew's orange. Can we just point that out?
Yeah, if you're not happy with the colour choice, thank Drew.
I'm going to change it to a yellow in colours.
What they're talking about, they're stupid. So now with all the darker versions of that, which is glass and a half. Did I say that already? I feel like I've said that already. No, I can't have. Glass and a half, Milky Way, Paradise, Bath Bomb and Saffron. We're going to do the darker versions on the other side. Paradise, Saffron, Drew's choice.
Oh, lovely that. Best one.
And Bath Bomb. Here we go. Cure those and then they're just ready for the top coat.
Are you going shiny on that?
Shiny. Come on, Ella, would I upset you today?
I love this. I feel like a queen or something.
Finish off with a bit of cherry cuticle oil. Make them look a little bit more shiny.
That's like freezing that.
What, the cuticle oil,
Yeah.
is it?
And we're done.
How nice are they? I love them. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If there's any other trends you would like to see, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.